Hi there, sports fans. This is Play Try TV. Ako po si Kinito Hanson and...
Hi, Diane Castillejo po. We're so excited. It's such a vibrant and energized week because of the FIBA. And today we have a very, very special guest with us on Play Try TV. Mapalad tayo na nabigyan tayo ng oras in the midst of the frenzy and the intensity of the FIBA World Cup preparations. Kinito.
Yes, nagpapasalamat tayo kay Scotty Thompson, ang ating point guard from the Gilas national team. Maglalaro po ang Gilas sa FIBA World Cup. So excited na po ang buong bayang Pilipino. Looking forward to these games that the Philippines will play against Dominican Republic, Angola, and Italy sa preliminary round. Tapos hopefully makapunta naman tayo sa second round. Okay, tama na yung chat-chatan. Let's get you over now to Scotty Thompson. Scotty, kumusta? Maraming salamat.
Okay lang po, everything is good naman, so nare-ready na para sa World Cup talaga.
Okay, first question, and everybody wants to find out, itong injury na nangyari sa'yo during the European trip, out of 6 games sa Europe, isa lang ang nailaro mo. Tapos China trip, hindi ka nakasama, pero milagro! Nung napanood ko yung tune-up games ninyo, pwede po bang sabihin sa amin kung ano yung nature ng injury at paano ka nakarecover ng napakadali?
Unang-unang po, sobrang nagpapasalamat ako kay God kasi sa very fast recovery. Ako din hindi ko naisip na ganun kabilis, but I think good thing para sa akin kasi nung mga off-season ko, nung time na injured ako, nung nasa China sila, wala akong ginawa kundi magpa-condition, hindi ako nagbabaya. So kahit hindi ako magala yung right hand ko, so more on running ako para maging ready and naging positive mindset ako kasi ang iniisip ko hindi ko alam kung kailan ulit mangyayari yung World Cup na dito sa Pilipinas mo mangyayari, so naging positive ako para sa pray na makaabot sa World Cup.
Scotty, pakita nga natin yung kamay mo at
parang medyo isang buka.
Meron. Ito hindi na po siya nawawala talaga.
Yung fracture?
Ito yung fracture, ito yung soft.
So dito nangyari yung fracture dito.
Pero now it feels good na kasi parang sabi nga ni Kito, parang miraculous yung paghimo, yung bilis. And were you surprised yourself na nakapag ka
yung mga first practices ko po, medyo may trauma pa. Wala na siyang pain pero iba pa yung feel ko. Yung hand ko parang sobrang weak and sobrang takot pa ako sa lahat ng sa warps, magsalo ng bola, pag sa defense. So yun nga, napanisip-isip ko siguro nasa utak ko lang na kaya medyo ganun. So the next practices, tinanggal ko na, sige, bahala na kung...
Dito na yun, yung practice na yun, when you rejoin.
Hindi ko na inisip, and then, naging okay naman, naging positive naman.
Ano naman masasabi mo sa readiness ng team? So, you play 3 tune-up games here, you've had lots of practice sessions, pinag-uusapan lagi yung chemistry, di ba? Yung iba late pumasok. So, how would you describe yung team state ngayon as we go up against Dominican Republic?
I think we're ready, but alam natin yung level ng international, yung Dominican sobrang lakas din and na-change yung sa pagpasok ulit ni Karl Anthony Towns. So we're ready naman, talagang pinaghandaan namin to, but last practices namin, I think ito yung pinaka-crucial for us na one together and magkaroon kami ng clarity sa lahat ng system ng coaches and of course maging straight same page kami coming to our first game. So,
Scotty, yun namang kaibahan ng rules. PBA international game. Sa PBA, 6 fouls disqualification. FIBA rules, 5 fouls disqualification. Iba din yung number of timeouts. Tapos, hindi pwedeng yung player tumawag ng timeout. Maraming mga kaibahang rules. How adjusted are you to the international rules ng FIBA?
Well, sa first thing sa practice namin, talagang ina-apply namin yung FIBA rules. And of course, like you said, Sir Kinito, sa FIBA, 10 minutes lang, sa Pro, 12 minutes. So, natutunan ko dito na from the start talaga, kailangan mo talagang all out agad. Sobrang bilis ng oras and then yung mga ibang international teams, sanay na sanay sila na pagka-start talagang upok agad. So, and as a player din, no, pag pinasok kami, pag nabigyan kami ng chance, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, kailangan all out talaga agad.
If there was something that you would say na talagang you learned, let's say, from all this interaction with Jordan Clarkson, and then sabi niya nila, the best put together Gilas squad, ano yun, mga things that napaka-alaga na na-pick up mo, like you said, from Jordan, a legit NBA player?
I think for us ngayon, yung pinakahalaga sa amin is yung, andun na yung on the court, pero yung off the court bonding namin.
Okay siya.
Sobrang okay, ang sarap, sobrang galing magsama. Parang Pinoy din talaga siya. Talagang and sumasali talaga siya sa lahat ng ng team, no? Kung ano yung mga gagawin ng team, talagang sumasali siya. Hindi siya yung tipong kahit NBA player siya, nakikijoin talaga siya for us. And that's a good thing kasi kailangan namin yung bonding off the court. So, yun siguro yung pinaka di ko makakalimutan dito sa World Cup na stint ko.
Humble siya, no?
Humble, very humble po.
Scotty, nakalaro ka na sa national team dati, pero of course, yung World Cup, ibang stage. Talking about playing for the national team, nakalaro mo rin din si Jordan Clarkson. At ngayon, nag-reunite kayo ni Jordan ulit, along with some other players from the national team. Anong pakiramdam, Scotty, that parang ito yung best of the best natin going up against the world's best of the best?
Well, una-una, sobrang saya, no? And enjoy ko lang yung every moment na kasama si Jordan kasi, di ba, ibang level yan eh. Legit NBA players na mga kasama namin, tapos representing the country. So, sana matulungan namin siya, to fight para sa Pilipinas. And of course, yung experience na madadala ko dito sa buong career ko talagang ibang level. So sana after the World Cup mag-lift up yung experience ko. And yun.
In terms of mindset, playing against Karl Anthony Towns na from Dominican, natuwa ako, narinig ko yung coach ng Dominican Republic, sabi niya pagdating niya that he has a lot of respect for the Philippine team. Siyempre, Filipinos were aggressive, we're gonna push, plus the crowd. So, bukod sa mga, siyempre, strategy and everything and on-court, how important is the mindset like going into a game against a much higher ranked player filled with NBA talent there? Of course, we were very talented also, pero paano nyo sinasayad yung sarili niya? And I know that you are one of the most positive influences sa team.
Well, una talagang hindi kami pwedeng maging negative coming to this game. Talagang kami, napapansin ko sa team, all positive kami, especially coaching staff and mga big boss, of course. And yun nga, kailangan namin maging positive ngayon kasi hindi ka na pwede maisip na negative ngayon kasi comfort natin eh. So, kailangan natin i-protect yung crowd natin, so yung comfort natin, and especially yun yung isa sa magiging inspirasyon namin, isa sa magiging edge namin, no? Although talagang may edge sila sa amin, pero isa sa edge namin is yung crowd natin ngayon dito sa Philippines. So,
this is about yung bola na gagamitin, yung molten. Ibang klaseng bola ang molten, of course, official basketball ng FIBA World Cup for the past several World Cups. Pero itong gagamitin na bola for this particular World Cup, iba yung feel para talagang yung leather na leather ang dating. Tapos yung mga seams are tamang-tama for the grip. Especially you being our point guard, the ball handling has to be very precise to make your game more efficient. Gaano kahalaga itong molten ball para sa iyo?
Ito ngayon sobrang laking bagay ng molten ball ngayon kasi as a point guard talagang kailangan mo talaga ma-feel yung bola, yung grip ng bola, kailangan hindi madulas, and yung ngayong bagong bola ng molten talagang very perfect for the FIBA World Cup kasi I think most of us na nagustuhan talaga yung feel, nakakatira ka ng maayos, hindi mo gumayos, nakakasamaayos. Ever since my college days, nagsimula ako, molten na yung na-feel ko na bola, but itong molten ngayon, mas na-improve pa yung gagamitin sa World Cup. So, malaking bagay as a point guard yung ganung bola na maganda yung feel sa kamay. To all our kababayan, iniimbitahan po namin kayo na manood ng World Cup, especially kami po na maglalaro against ibang country. And of course, panoorin nyo din yung lahat ng games ng World Cup, not just us, kasi ang daming malalaking games, and we're sure na mag-i-enjoy kayo sa lahat ng.
At huwag natin kalilimutan, meron po tayong special treat sa mga Play It Right TV followers and fans. Yung pong bus that we are going to mobilize. That will be coming from 3 points, no, sa Festival Mall Alabang, sa SM North and SM Makati. Makikita po nyo yung Play It Right TV at saka yung Molten sticker around the bus. And libre po.
Free bus. You just have to show your ticket.
Yep.
Subscribe to Play It Right TV, like Molten on Facebook, and you got a free ride to the venue.
That's right. That's August 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 hanggang 30. So 6 days po. Those buses are going to be transporting all ticket holders and FIBA World Cup fans to the venues. So abangan po nyo because when you get to ride those buses, mapapanood po nyo yung Play It Right TV episodes inside the bus, and who knows, baka magkaroon pa kayo ng mga premyo na maibibigay sa loob ng bus.
Well, thank you again, Scotty.
you,
We're so
Thank you,
excited. Go, go, go. Let's hold your hand that it will be strong.
Thank you.
Really, sharpshooter. So, mabuhay ka, Scotty Thompson.
Maraming salamat. Play It Right TV, Kinito Henson.
Dayan Casillejo. See you next time. God
Maraming
bless.
salamat.
Go Gilas!